Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Dear students, yesterday we were talking about the discovery of proton, and today we are going to discuss the properties of the positive rays. Just I review again. Last time I told you as regard of the discovery of proton, Goldstein, he performed a experiment, same glass discharge tube experiment, and used the electrode in it. Just the cathode is perforated and it is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Anode, it is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Same, a gas is introduced inside the glass discharge tube at low pressure. Then a high voltage current is applied, and he observed that some rays are produced and start to move towards the cathode. And as they reached here to the cathode, they passed through these canals, and he observed at the back of the cathode. And when these rays strike with the walls of the glass discharge tube, they produce some red glowing. In the start, they give the name to these rays canal rays, and later they give the name to these rays positive rays. Then different peoples perform the different experiment to study the properties of the positive rays. As regard of the properties of the positive rays, look at here. Properties of the positive rays are canal rays. First of all, as regard of the way of traveling, these rays also travel in a straight line perpendicular to the anode. Same like cathode rays. More, the, if we observe the electric field and magnetic field effect on these positive rays, so positive rays bend towards the negative terminal of the electric fields. So in this way, it is clear these rays are composed of such particle which has positive charge. As regard of motion, they are moving in a straight line. Fluorescence, if they fall on a fluorescent screen, they can affect that one. Yes, their properties, it will depend on the nature of the gas. Whichever is the gas present in the glass discharge tube, the nature of the positive rays will depend on the gas. Reason, these rays are produced from the residual gas of glass discharge tube. These rays are not producing from the anode. These rays are producing from the gas present in glass discharge tube. Later they find the E over m value for this one also, and the charge of these particle also. They come to know that they are positively charged, and the mass of these positively charged particles same like that proton, yani hydrogen. So in this way the discovery of the proton done by the Goldstein. So with the discovery of the cathode, with the discovery of the canal rays, positive rays, the discovery of the proton also done. Now inshallah next lecture we will discuss about the discovery of neutron. So take care of you and take care of the all peoples which are around you. Allah Hafiz.